shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for April 8th, 2020. Keep in mind, this is a short week. Friday, Good Friday, we are off. So make sure that, you get out of your options if they're expiring this week on Thursday, okay? Or better yet, go into next week's. They're definitely much better. So let's start with the SPY. We are going to be bullish above 266.50. You guys, we are above a massive old dark pool level right now, 53 million back in 2018. Remember that big correction we had? That's where the big guys were buying back then. So it is a key level to watch, and that's why I'm bearish below 263 today for that. All right, so keep in mind, we did have a small level yesterday, 265.61. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, bullish above 26.60, and we've taken off already there. Bearish below 26.40 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell IWM. Bullish above 113, and we've broken above that already. Bear below 110.50. I do send out these notifications as I'm doing them. For those of you that do trade pre-market and have the app, we now have our push notifications are working for the Apple phone. Android is coming soon. QQQ, bullish above 198.50. We didn't get there yet. Really watching this 200 simple moving average. Yeah, are we going to close above that? Yeah, that would be bullish if we did. We were unable to do that yesterday. So we'll see what today brings. Bear below 195 for the QQQs. Let's go to the DIA. Bullish above 228.75. Bear below 225. We'll go to the NASDAQ futures. Bull above 8100. We've already gone above that. And bear below 79.60. And let's turn to the oil futures. Yeah. All right. We are below the pivot. However, today we're going to be bullish. Yeah, of course, above the pivot. 25.37. We do have a lower trend line right here. Remember that guy? I'll go to the weekly just to show you. Yeah, we are embarking on that once again. Yeah, we've actually gone down and took a little bounce off of it. Let's see if we hold on to that or not. If we don't, it's not going to be pretty for oil. So we're going to be bearish below 24.25. We've already gone below that level and hit quite a few of our targets. All right, let's go to gold. Gold, you guys. Massive prints coming in on gold. Let's just go to the futures first, and then I'll share the prints with you. But the gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 1700. That is just such a key level to watch just above this pivot. And I'll be talking about futures today and pivots in the training pit. Yep, at my presentation, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, 1700 is big. Look at the volume that is just coming in right now. You can see it's really growing in volume. It looks like it wants to test that pivot. Yeah, the key is to go above it. We have a Camarilla and Person's pivot right there. So, that's why bullish above here. And we may retest this upper trend line, right? Remember from the weekly chart? This guy right here. So that's what I'm watching today. Pretty exciting. Because we had massive prints on number one, IAU, 1579, a 7 million print. We're there right now. It takes them a while usually to enter the gold trade. This is the second big print we've gotten. We're above the first one, and this one was bigger. So this is a slow instrument to trade, but watch these levels. If we can go above 16, they're buying. If we go below 1550, they're most likely selling. Okay, so watch that. But we also got a massive print. Look at this guy. Hold on GLDM. Yeah, look at the volume. Yeah, that's come in. We had a big volume bar back here as well. But yesterday we had a 7.5 million print at 1658. So these are not instruments that I'll trade, but I will trade gold. I'm going to give it a little bit more time before I get aggressive. Yeah, make sure that they're done entering. If we keep seeing large gold prints every day, it means they're not done entering. If you recall, in the past, I got some hate mail because it didn't move fast enough for you guys. All right, relax, patience. When they're done, we will have a massive move. But sometimes it could take a couple weeks. Sometimes a couple days, usually a little bit longer for gold. Okay, but guess what we got? We got a massive USDU print. Yeah, many of you probably don't even know what this is. This is the dollar ETF based against other currencies. And this is the biggest volume I think I've ever seen on it. So we are going to have a big move on the dollar. I wouldn't trade this, but I would watch these levels. Bullish above 29, bear below. Okay, so bullish, above 29 and bearish below 28. And if you trade Forex, you definitely want to watch this. And if you trade gold, you definitely want to watch this. So these are going to be key levels. I did a whole blog on it, which should be coming out today, so stay tuned for that. Let's go to individual stocks. IQ had a lot of pre-market volume this morning. And we've already moved. Yeah, I hope you guys caught this. You pre-market bandits out there. Bear below 1637. Only bullish above 1706 for IQ. Yeah, and it just totally fell out of bed here. It looks like it's trying to find some support at this 1575 level. But we do have, yeah, Camarilla support right there. Actually, let me show you this. IQ. Probably why it just stopped. Yep, it stopped right on the Camarilla. See that? Amazing. So if we do go below that, then 1536 would be our next target. It looks like it wants to retest the pivot right now. But these are so powerful. Let's go to American Airlines. Yeah, if you have an Apple iPhone and you are a member of the app, if you have a subscription, check and make sure you have a subscription. If you do, all you got to do is go into your settings of your phone and put your notifications on for the app. All right, and you'll get the notifications. It'll ding. You can put a sound on it. American Airlines, bullish above 11 and bear below 1025. Tesla, bullish above 563. There's a lot of room to go to the upside if we can go above that. And bearish below 545 for Tesla. Let's check out AMD. Bullish above 48.50. Yep, there's a lot of room above. We didn't quite hit 50 yet. We came a little bit shy yesterday. But that is going to be key resistance, as you can see from back here in March. Yeah, that's where they were selling. So that's a really key level, you know, to watch in the bigger picture, though. If we were to break above 50, just change my color here. If we were to go above 50, yeah, then there is so much room up ahead. Actually, we have a gap here. They might do a gap fake out. 51.25 to 52.89. There's a small gap here. This might have been the fake out and then the pullback. We'll see. But yeah, keep your eye on AMD. Bear below 47 for the day trade. I had a question through an email, by the way, today. You know, how come I give different levels from my dark pool insights and from my daily whispers? Well, that's easy. The dark pool insights are swing trades. The insights are swing trades, and the daily whispers are day trades. They're based on moving averages, which are moving on the daily charts. They're based on pivots. They're based on the ECN books, where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. I can't see all this information on the weekend, but I can definitely give you the best levels to trade off every single day in the Daily Whispers. All right, so it's two different kinds of trading. One is bigger and swing trading, and the other one is smaller levels. And those are going to change. The question is, what kind of trader are you? Right? And I'm curious, everybody put in the chat box, if you're in the room, what kind of trader are you? Are you a day trader, swing trader, or both? Go ahead and put it in the box for me. I'm just curious. We got swings, both. Both. Yeah, a lot of us are both. We just trade. Most of the people are posting both in the room. Yeah, we're just traders. We'll trade anything that's moving. Yeah, we're not picky, right? All right, Apple bullish above 265 today and bear below 258. But I do have different rules. Yeah, go ahead and read my book, Dark Pool Secrets. I do post my rules for both day trading and swing trading in there. Apple bullish above 265, bearish below 258. Let's go to Carnival Cruise Lines. Yeah, so we saw the Saudis buying it. Yes, we did at $8.20. I did post that in my Dark Pool Insights. And I know the news came out today. The prints always come first and then come the news. But how are we going to trade it today? Bullish above 12. You see we went right to it and bounced off. Yeah, major levels. Bear below 1075. Boeing. Bullish above 150 today and bear below 139. USO 485 is a major dark pool level. So that's why I'm going to be bearish below 480 today. Bullish above 520 for USO. And FCX, holy moly, we had a big print on this one at 719. I love it. We're above it. Bullish above 8 today, if you're not in this yet. And bear if we do go below the print. If we go below 719, I'm bear below 712. And I'm sticking to it. There you go. Those are your whispers for April 8th, 2020. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, and trade. Take care, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep